to Cave Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this game assets over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I have assigned some assets over here. I'll go into this and let's drag and drop a texture over here. So I'll just drag and drop a texture over here. We can see this. So it's going to take a bit of time. So once you drag and drop it, the size of this bricks are very high, bigger. So I can just make it as a bit smaller. So I can just make it a bit smaller over here, and I can just go into this. You do have some other elements like we can add some dirt or something. I can do that. So we do have some concrete over here as well. So I can assign this on top of this. I can assign a concrete over here. Let's go over here. So I can just resize it if required over here, and I can just add a black mask over here, and I'll go into this. Let's go into the mask, and I can assign. It's taking a very long time. So we can assign any kind of dirt, heavy or something. I can just assign on top of it if required in this way. So as you can see now, I can undo it. So let's go into this. Can off this. So let's again take a black mask over here. Take a black mask, and I can just go into this. Dirty, dusty, I can use it on top of it if needed. Yeah, that looks a bit better. So we can do such stuff. If you don't want to put this, I can take a generator and I can add some dirt to it. That can also do. I can slightly reduce the dirt level. So, instead of this, again I will just go on to this, again I will switch to the smart material and we will find out some other. So, we do have this dirt over here, I will just put a dirt on top of it. Now, this looks better. Okay. So, I have assigned the dirt. So, again I will go on to this brick wall and I can on it, we can slightly increase or decrease this height over here. So, color, roughness, so everything we can add it, and again I will add a bit of black mask and slightly I will add a bit of dirt in this way. Okay, does not look much. So, okay, this looks okay, and if you do not want to add it, I can just remove that and just remove this mask. I think this looks much better. So, we can do that. Now, again I will go into this and let us add some metal over here. So, I do have some metal stuff over here. So, I will just add metal over here. So, you can go with any old metal if needed. I can just add metal over here. So, as you can see now, we have added a metal over here. Once you have added a metal, if you want to add some more elements, that can be added over here. So, again I will go into this. So, let us go over here. We do have this grunge metal. So, we do have different metals which can be used over here. So, steel rusted also we have, but we do not need this, we need a bit of a different color. So, if you want, you can go with any kind of a rust over here. You can add a rust material and I will add something on top of it. I can go over here. Let's add a grunge, or I can go with iron old as well, forged old. Okay, let's add a grunge on top of it. So, let's add a grunge metal. I'll just give a black mask and I'll add a bit of generator. Let's give a metal edge where I can, okay, we have grouped this, that's the reason. So, it's like, you know, if you off this, I think some other elements are also getting merged. So, this is one of the reason. So, whenever you are creating it, don't group it. If you can make it in a separate IDs, that would be much better. So, I will just remove this rust fine as well. So, I can go into this and I can add some other metal over here according to your needs. We do have. So, I will just take hull damage over here, the same material. Let us see how it is going to look like. Alright, cannot see this material. Now, once we have added, then you can go later. I think this looks pretty decent. So, if you need any changes, we can go with the changes as well. So, I have a color over here as well. So, we can go with the changes according to your needs. So, again I will go into this. We do have some rust spots as well. So, that can be changed. You can give some variations, over here. Rust color also we do have it. Slight changes. Again I can go into this rust dripping part. So, hardness can be changed, the tiling can be increased over here. So, these are some of the things, the changes which we are making over here. Alright. So, guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are not subscribed yet. So, we will continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So, thanks for watching this tutorial.